Hello, this is JC. We understand that our consumers want to capture and share their unique experiences in the most imaginative way possible, regardless of the lighting conditions. But shooting videos at night is challenging as video suffer from issues like loss of detail, overexposure, high noise, among others. I wonder if any of you have encountered the same problem as mine. When you see a colorful and a vibrant flower in the dark, a child's peaceful face while returning home late at night, or when you gather with your family and friends. Although these fleeting moments are so touching, they cannot be captured by your smartphone. If you have ever been upset by this today, I'm here with the Vivo smartphone to help you make up for this regret. Now, I have Vivo X90 Pro in my hand, a smartphone that takes photography to the next level. It's packed with advanced features like the extreme night video powered by Zeiss 1-inch main camera, 50MP portrait camera with large sensor, Zeiss style portrait, Pro Sports mode, and Zeiss T star coating. Today, we are going to explore one of the best locations in the city, and I'm going to capture stunning photos and videos like never before on the amazing Vivo X90 Pro. Let's go unleash its full potential. Here is one of my favorite scenic locations where I always go for a walking of inspiration. With its beautiful ever-changing color tones, it's a perfect place to showcase the Vivo X90 Pro's extreme night video. Imagine capturing a low-light scenario with stunning clarity and detail. Wow, the quality of the video is incomparable. The Vivo X90 Pro, with its advanced imaging technology, delivers smooth and stable advanced features, which makes it the perfect smartphone for capturing stunning photos and videos even in low light. A big thanks to everyone involved for making this visionary product come to life. I would personally recommend each and everyone to get their hands on this product and experience the extreme.
Vivo.